Hello, my name is Wade, and this is our EE212 project. Firstly, the name of our project is Security Alarm System. In modern days, or nowadays, there's an increased need for security in our homes. And our group decided to create a circuit, a simple circuit, that can help alleviate this problem. The main idea behind our circuit. So firstly, we have a zone sensor, which can be a magnetic sensor or a magnetic switch. And then we have the transistor switching circuit, which is the main idea behind our project. And then from the switching circuit, it'll turn on the audio or a telephone dialer to notify the homeowner of an intruder or a breaking into the home.
My name is Simon. I'm going to show you the simulation of our project. So, as you can see, this for the BTPs and the transistors, all the values are calculated. You follow our method, and this the 4 zones. This the 4 zone. And this the output. So if we're gonna try and run the simulation, so actually we want to see the output. So if we run it, so actually it's work. As we can see from the switch, there is no switch is open. So that means this thing, our output is working, so the buzzer is not triggered. And we're gonna try another. Try one of the switch we turn on, and we can run it. So there's output voltage here. So this voltage is decreases. So that means there's another decreases in buzzer too. Because according to the datasheet, this buzzer operating voltage is from 8 to 12 voltage. So this is the amount of voltage we get from the output.
My name is Landiata Wangambara. Just want to show you guys our setup for our project today. As you can see, this is our power supply. We're supplying 12 voltage from there, and this is the switch, and this is a buzzer. And if the intruder comes into the house, so this circuit is for one zone only, and when the intruder breaks in, the switch is turned on, and then the sensor is triggered.
Our circuit. So if we can see over here, this is all our resistors we calculated. So this is 1.2k. It's a calculated using Ohm's law, because VCC is applied 12 volts and the BJT situation current is 10 milliamps. So we can find out our collector resistance, and this one should be high values, which is 75 kilo ohms, and this one it's 1 mega ohms. So if we turn on another switch, of if the door is open, so Q1 will be turned off and Q2 will be on or saturated and send the message to the output, which is the buzzer. So we're gonna demonstrate it as we can turn on the switch. So we at times, so it works. So our circuit it works.
Our group decided to create a PCP circuit, a complete PCP circuit for our project. And as you can see here, this is our circuit. If we move it around, it's a complete PCB design. and it's fully automated and ready for increasing home security. And this is our schematics for the circuit.